Hi friends, my name is Siddhartha. Today we are going to learn hand matrix multiplication with 9. We should draw like this hands and legs 1 to 20. Okay, the first example is 9 into 8. Okay, we should round up 8 before number 7 and after number 2. The answer is 72. Now the next example is 9 into 9. Now we should round up 9 and before numbers 8 and after number 1. Okay, the answer is 81. The next example is 9 into 13. We should round up 13 and also 12. When we are doing here, we are only doing circle for one number, but we should circle for two numbers when we are doing foot. Okay, now how many are there? 11 and after number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The answer is 117. The next example is 9 into 18. We should round up 18 and also 17, 16. And after numbers 9, 20 means 2. The answer is 162. Like, share, subscribe and please do the subscribe. Bye.